Welcome to myBooks product demo tutorial. In this video, you are going to learn how to customize template variants on myBooks accounting software. Go to Settings, then Business Settings, then Templates. Double-click on the template that you want to use. Now can see the template preview screen. Here you can change the font type, font size, document color, heading color, etc. Can customize the logo size by entering the width and height. Select the page size as per your need. Customize the details to be shown in your bill, invoice, etc., such as address fields, contacts fields, item fields, amount details, seal, signature size, bank details, and more. You can also customize the signature size as well. Display or hide the acknowledgement section at the bottom. You can set a default template as well. Then click on Update to save the changes.